Alright, this is something I've been wanting to do for months. Probably since January, February when it's cold, and I said I'll do it in the summer. And I just now got enough money to get a little pressure washer and clean the outside of this place. It's so nasty. So I'm letting Christina play for a minute. Got the pressure washer over there, but we're gonna clean all this front sidewalk, the steps, everything. This is nasty out here. People just throw crap everywhere. So, for the next couple hours at least, this is what I'm going to be doing now. It's a weird pressure washer. It's a cheap one. Little thing, but it'll do the job. Alright, so I finished pressure washing. And I got home. I wasn't going to film anymore, but then when I pull up, this is what I found. Oh, let's make her walk on the tank.
Come on, lady.
Don't choke it.
Nope. Too big on it.
Oh my goodness. This is what I come home to. Say hello to everyone.
Hi.
Look at this thing. She doesn't even know what to do. Teaching the cat to walk on the chain.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like that. That's like the picture on Snapchat or Instagram.
Thanks, cutie.
Oh my goodness.